There is a company that can make your race car dreams come true. They might actually be the most fun race car manufacturer on this planet, because everybody loves crosskarts, those little slidey machines with 600cc motorcycle engines in the back. And that's what this company called Yacar mostly produces. But they went a tiny little bit bananas and developed the same knowledge into a slightly bigger scale. They make modern style kit car replicas from the likes of Citroen DS3, Ford Fiesta and Peugeot 208 rally cars. They also make a kit car of a Citroen Visa, which is a little bit odd. But in this video we will concentrate on the coolest of the cool in Yacar's portfolio, starting with this. This is their prototype of the Peugeot 205 T16. The car that took Group B rallying to the ultimate level of madness in the 1980s. Only 200 road cars were ever made and only 20 of the Evolution version race cars have ever existed. So if you'd own one, you'd probably not want to trash it around gravel tracks and rallies. But the Yacar prototype is different. It's a chrome moly tube frame chassis with the 205 horsepower motorbike engine behind the driver. The transmission is a 6-speed sequential with 4-wheel drive. However, we have seen this go in rear drive slidy mode as well. It has an independent double wishbone suspension front and back with some trick inboard shocks under the front bonnet. The dimensions of the fiberglass body are super close to the actual Group B car and the weight is only 650 kilos. Now imagine if we put a tiny little turbo next to that Hayabusa engine, just a little one. Moving on to the next rally legend, which is the Lancia 037 prototype. The 037 was the last rear-wheel drive car to ever win a WRC rally and the first true silhouette race car made for the Group B rules in the early 80s. Because the likelihood of you being a billionaire car collector, Yacar is again the best bet if you want to own a great replica of the original 037. It has a very similar chrome moly frame design and technology to the 205 T16, but the Lancia can be either 4-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. The dimensions are slightly larger to match the exact size of the original 037, but the weight remains at a featherweight 650 kilos. I could see a twin-screw supercharger added if somebody would want to disregard the reliability of the stock Hayabusa engine. What other legendary race cars would you like to see as a modern-day prototype? Let us know in the comments. Lastly, if you are a mad scientist called Perfecto Calvino, the owner of Yacar himself, what do you build for yourself? A twin Hayabusa engined Ferrari 360 Modena rally car, of course. This car got over 1 million views on the Grumblo Facebook channel and blew the minds of car fans worldwide. It's not officially available to order from Yacar, but if you really want one, I'm sure they will have a price tag for it. And for Mr. Calvino to casually blast a screaming 4-wheel drive 400 horsepower Ferrari on the gravel without care, this must be one of the ultimate smile-making machines in the world. If you like the twin engine madness, go and watch this video of two insanely fast creations next.